Hello everybody, this is John with NAPCO Technical Support. In this brief video tutorial, we'll be discussing how to set up and share your live video for your iBridgeVideo cameras using the new released iBridgeVideo application, which was released for your Android and Apple phones. So let's click on the new iBridgeVideo app, and we're going to select me, and we're going to go into settings, and here at the bottom you'll see it'll say invite user. So at this page here, you're going to be allowed to invite the individual users that you want to share your iBridgeVideo cameras with. You can have multiple, and you could also designate which cameras that you like to share with those individuals. So if you have a particular camera that you don't want certain people to see, this feature is definitely beneficial to allow them to only see certain cameras. So here you would put the user that you would be going. So we're just going to put John Smith, and we're going to put an email for John, and simply just going to put that here. Okay, so at this point you would need the name, and you'd also need to input the email address. First and foremost, this is going to email the primary master user of iBridgeVideo. So whoever set up the account initially and who is logged in currently, they're going to receive a personal email in which they have to accept this user to allow them to have the shared capabilities on the app. So first and foremost, you need to have the master user check their email and to accept this invitation that we just sent over. And once that's accepted, you simply just scroll back into device, and you can click on your camera, and we're going to go and select settings, and as you see at the bottom it says device sharing. So we're going to click here, and obviously there's no shared user currently, so we would hit add user to share, and the iBridgeVideo account is the email address of the individual that you are sharing. So once the individual has been approved, the username here in which you would input would be that email address that you set up in the previous screen where you invited the user in. So, you can type in this email address here. And then you simply press the save icon at the top right, and that would enable them. And then in addition, the user that you're sharing the video with, they're going to receive a welcome email which indicates the username, which is their email address, and then the temporary password, which is 123456. And this is definitely a password that individual, when they log in for the first time, they definitely should be changing that password. And also, very importantly, you will need to repeat this process for each of the cameras that you're wishing to share. So if you have multiple cameras, you'll have to share each individual user to those cameras. Again, my name is John with NAPCO Technical Support, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.